Coach Wooden, one of his favorite comments is, this game is about teaching every day.
It's about teaching every possession. Every day is definitely the right choice of words. When you have kids that really don't understand your system, don't understand basketball, you have to teach them. And when you have kids that understand everything, you definitely have to teach them. And we're getting better every single game.
I thought the significant part of this game wasn't so much in the first half, but in the second half when they got the lead and they found themselves in a situation where PB was looking to go possession, but the guys found a way to defend at the half court.
Well, I thought right at the end of the first half we did a good job of cutting it to, I think, 2 points. We made it down to 8 and cut it to 2. That gave us some momentum going to halftime. And then in the second half, it was a tight game back and forth, and we got to 6 and it became a free throw basketball game at the very end. But I think PB did a great job. They're a very good basketball team. Real long, real athletic, real good.
Talk about that. That was a time when this particular group would have been confused with a possession by possession in a free throw situation game toward the end. Today they found it was almost like a growth period.
Well, we lost 4 games like that, missing free throws down the stretch of the game. We missed front end of the 7th foul, front end of the 8th foul, front end of the 9th foul in some games. Tonight we missed the front end of a 1-and-1 that would have put us up and missed some more, but we made some stops at the end of the game and got the rebound.
Talk about the defensive effort of this group the whole game.
Well, you know, Coach Morris is our defensive coach, and he does a terrific job defensively. Our guys have to be in the right position. We always say mismatches don't beat you, it's open shots. And we want to make sure that we can test every shot without foul.
Did this game have any significance other than it being a road opener for this group?
Well, anytime you get a road, we got 2 road wins out of 3. And anytime you can win on the road, that's great. They said if you can go 500 in a row, that's pretty good. So we got 2 out of the 3 road wins. Now we got to go back in and protect our home court.
Talk about home court. You all got some games, significant games coming up at home too.
Well, every game is important for us. We don't go to the NCAA tournament this year. We don't go to the conference tournament. And so every game that we play is our tournament.
Talk about that. These guys, you know, that's the one thing that you have to keep in their minds. You got to win the games that's in front of you, even though you don't have in the postseason play. It's about winning games and letting teams know that when our time comes, we'll be ready.
Well, you know, we have a chance to win the conference, but we don't have a chance to go to the conference tournament. And so we're trying to win the conference. It's going to be a tough challenge for us. But that's a very good team in this league. You know, we played Southern, who's a very good basketball team, well coached. PV, very good team, well coached as well. So it's going to be very difficult for us, but it's our NCAA tournament every time we go out and play.
One last question. Talk about the effort of William Penn.
Well, you know, he's a really good basketball player. He controls the tempo of the basketball game. It's hard for people to steal the ball from him. He made some big shots down the stretch of the game. He started going under the ball screen. He made some big shots. I thought it was a great team. I thought Aaron Claiborne had his best game of the season, 16 points, 9 rebounds. He's really playing some really good basketball right now.
All right, Coach, thanks.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.